Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify your identity. Your action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again. So guys, if you're trying to change your password for your Apple ID and you're facing this problem again and again, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you change your password for your Apple ID very easily. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So I do this, and after this open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, and from here make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So if there is any connected VPN in your device, simply disconnect it and again scroll it below, tap on general, and from here tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So I do this, and after this go back again, and from here scroll below and tap on date and time and set your date and time correctly from here. So as you have to simply turn on the toggle for set automatically to fix your date and time. So I do this, and after this go back, and now you have to scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings from here for one time. So as reset your network settings and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then you have to simply give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So as for that, simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So as force restart the device and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open your browser. You can open any one, and from here search for iforgot.apple.com. So I tap on this and wait for some seconds here. So guys, from here scroll it below and tap on reset password, and from here tap on reset my password. From here so guys, enter your passcode for your iPhone, and I'll give here your password and verify your password here. So I do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if you still face the problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.